Okay, well, got a question for you. We had previously done a video on adjustable rate mortgages. You had kind of explained how those work. But let's kind of do a more broad subject. What's the difference between an adjustable rate mortgage and a fixed rate mortgage? And which one is best? How do you know which one to get?
Mhm. So, and I'm gonna stop pausing because I didn't really have any slides on that. So the difference is obviously fixed mortgages are rates are fixed, right?
Hmm.
So we have 30, 25, 20, 15, and 10 is the shortest term when rate is amortized, the mortgage is amortized over that period of time, a rate is fixed for that period of time. So let's say if you're doing 15-year fixed, it means that rate is fixed for 15 years and you will pay mortgage off in 15 years. The
Okay.
A.R.M is, it stands for adjustable rate mortgage, and that's what it is. The rates adjust, but they have a fixed period. For example, we have 5 1 A.R.M or 7 1 A.R.M or 10 1 A.R.M. It means that the rate is going to be fixed for 5, 7, or 10 years. And after that, it will start adjusting. And that second portion, second half of 5 1
Yeah.
means that it will start adjusting one time a year.
Okay.
Okay.
As of right now, this 1 A.R.Ms are really not there anymore. We have 5 6 7 6 10 6 A.R.Ms. It means that rate will change every 6 months.
Wow.
Is that because the
Unfortunately, not
market's
yet.
so much more volatile? Is that why?
Well, yes, because instead of rate adjusting once a year, it will adjust um twice a year, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it still a 30-year mortgage?
Yes, so the
Okay.
amortization is over 30 years.
Okay.
But it would start adjusting either at 5, 7, or 10-year mark.
Got it.
But it's a principal and interest, so it is amortized. You will pay it off in 30 years. Typically, this type of loans, they don't have prepayment penalty, so you still can pay extra if you like.
Okay.
So the A.R.Ms, why someone would choose A.R.M over fixed rate is if the A.R.M rate is lower than fixed rate.
Yeah.
Right now on conventional loans, conforming loan limits in our area up to 1.149 million. The difference is really there's no difference. Actually, in some cases, A.R.Ms have worse rates than fixed
Oh,
rate.
wow.
You're gonna find more clients interested in A.R.Ms in jumbo space over 1.49 million, 1.149, I apologize. So because then the rate is gonna be slightly lower. Let's say we talk about 7-year A.R.M, and the rate is better, let's say by 0.5%.
Yeah.
So if you know that you're probably not gonna own this property for that long,
Yeah.
or you think that rates are gonna get better and I'm gonna refinance anyways, so you'll go for that shorter term rate, because even 0.5%, even if it's 0.25%, when you're talking
Yeah.
about this high loan amounts, it's a
Yeah.
big difference in the monthly payment. So you want to save some money, you get the A.R.M. And
Right.
7, 10 A.R.M, they're a pretty long time in historically. And you tell me if you agree that people keep houses for 7, 10 years and then they move on, right?
Yeah, it says that
Yeah.
sometimes I think the average is 5 to 7, but we've got people selling after 2 years right now that are
Yeah.
starting to recycle through, and
I
then
was
we've got
gonna say,
people
that's
that
kind of long. I
Yeah.
think I love the idea of a 7, 10 A.R.M.
yeah, it's plenty of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's almost like that's
Yeah.
certainly a full cycle.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, in that amount of time, you're either ready to upsize or downsize or whatever. I mean, if you're like me, you're ready to move.
You just bored.
And it definitely doesn't work for everyone. It has to be
Right.
case by case. Some people just don't like that uncertainty and they don't want to deal with that. That's perfectly fine, but those that know they're gonna move out, or refinance or whatever,
Yeah.
then this is gonna be a good option for them.
Okay,
Okay, makes
Good.
sense.
I like ARMs.
I like arms, I like your arms. I don't know why I would think. I think it was nothing with it. It seemed appropriate. All right. Thank you for that. Anything else?
No.
I think that's all.
We'll end on a
She has
compliment.
very nice arms, I agree.
She does, doesn't she? She works there.
She works out, I can tell.
That's right. There you go. All right. Well, okay. Well, how can people get in touch with you if they have any questions?
Yeah, call me at 571-245-3000.
All right. All right.
Thank you,
And I'll
Tatiana.
We'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.